everybody, it's me, Bree, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. And everybody knows it's the greatest, most certainlyest, most yes, I don't even know what that word means. I'm just saying stuff because of the slime. And so these are the stuff that you will need. So of course, you'll be needing a regular spoon. The reason why it has the little white stuff is because I just got done doing with it. I don't want to waste those spoons. And the second thing would be some shampoo. Then some I don't know what this is. It's kind of like flour, but it's kind of like dough. And then after that is a bowl. You don't need no shaving cream and you don't have to use no glue, shaving cream, and all this other stuff. You can just use two things. Easy. Oh, and the last ingredient is salt. All you need is just two things. Salt, which is the easiest thing, and shampoo, which you bathe with. Come on, you have to have this and this. You put this on your eggs or whatever you put it on. It's something good. Okay. So you're going to put 5 teaspoons of the shampoo. So wood, two, 3, 4, 5. One more just in case. 5. So there you go. You have that now. You might want to keep it. And so when you have this, you are going to put a little bit of salt, like 3 things, like 1, 2, 3. And for the ending, put a little bit of 2 salts in there. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. And then get the spoon and mix it. Mix you go. And it's really going to turn like bubbles in it. Kind of. And it's going to, when you start, like, see, I'll show you guys. So, it is going to be, so you are going to put some peroxide in it. And then you're going to stir it up. And it's going to be looking like. So that's what yours should be looking like right about now. And when you feel it, it's going to look like this, but it's not finished yet. So you keep stirring it, and then you're going to put every single step back. But except this, you're going to do count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you are not going to stir it yet. Going to say 1. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to stir it as much as you can. Then it's going to turn on real light pink. So, when you get finished with this, you're going to put some more dough, like thick and stuff like. Whoa! That was way too much. So you're going to put some salt over it, and some more of this. Probably about all of it. So, when you do get it, it's going to... So when you get it to be like that, you are going to put a little bit of water in it to get it moisturizing and to get it soaked up. So when you do that, it's going to be like real thick. And so when you do that, it's going to feel like slime. Okay? And then it's going to be really cool slime. And then you're going to put it together. See? I'm putting my hand on it. It doesn't feel like nothing. So you're going to put it together. Really soften. Like this. So it won't fall out. And put it in a freezer for 15 minutes. Mama, had the 15 minutes came up yet? Hey, Mama, guess what? I just made a slime. Do this one. Okay, so I'm back and I have another one that I made which is not good. So I'm going to put the same amount of stuff that I put in that one. So you're probably gonna mix it with green. It's probably gonna be good. And then you're gonna put a little bit of salt. Probably like a lot. But where's the spoon go? I'm serious, where's this? Oh yeah. So I'm going to be using I don't really know. Because I don't have a spoon. I forgot it in there. Okay. I am going to be using, is there another spoon? Okay, I could use a fork. So you are going to stir it good until it looks like dough. Like this. It's just feel it. That's awesome. Okay. So So we need to put. Some water to make it a little bit juicy. Okay. Now it's probably gonna be good. Bye. Okay, it is sticking really bad. Okay, it's starting good. Okay, so I'm getting it unstuck. And it's kind of turning light pink. And it's not slime anymore. So I'm going to put some more flour. Whoa. Maybe I put way too much. Hey, but who cares? At least it's fun to make slime. Okay, since you have some powder. So guys, when you put it in the freezer for 10 minutes, then it will turn out to be real slime, and it will be good as new. Okay, so if you